The iPhone 14 Plus caters to users who crave a larger screen experience within the iPhone ecosystem. It bridges the gap between the standard iPhone 14 and the Pro Max model, offering a compelling option for those who prioritize display size without needing the absolute top-of-the-line features. Let's delve deeper into the iPhone 14 Plus's strengths and consideration. The marquee feature of the iPhone 14 Plus is undoubtedly its expansive 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. This significant jump from the standard iPhone 14's 6.1-inch screen elevates experiences like watching videos, gaming, and web browsing. The display has an exceptional quality, praising its brightness, contrast, and color accuracy thanks to the OLED technology. Whether you're immersed in a movie or editing photos, it also offers a vibrant and detailed canvas. The iPhone 14 Plus employs a dual camera system on the rear, consisting of a 12-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. This setup delivers high-quality photos and videos in most lighting conditions. However, a key distinction exists compared to the iPhone 14 Pro models, the lack of a telephoto lens. This omission translates to the absence of optical zoom capabilities, a feature valued by users who desire close-up shots without sacrificing image quality. The iPhone 14 Plus is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, the same chip found in the iPhone 13 Pro. While not the absolute latest processor, the A15 Bionic remains a powerhouse. And for most users, real-world performance will feel very similar to the iPhone 14 Pro. This chip tackles demanding tasks with ease, making the iPhone 14 Plus a future-proof option for everyday users and casual gamers. The iPhone 14 Plus boasts improvements in battery life compared to its predecessor, the iPhone 13 Plus. This can be attributed to the larger battery capacity and the efficiency of the A15 Bionic chip. Familiar yet functional, the iPhone 14 Plus retains the design language of the iPhone 13 Plus. This translates to a flat-edged stainless steel frame and a glass back, offered in a variety of colors. While some might yearn for a more drastic design shift, the familiar form factor ensures a comfortable grip and a premium feel. The iPhone 14 Plus emerges as a compelling choice for users who prioritize a large, high-quality display and a capable camera system, without requiring the absolute top-of-the-line features found in the Pro models. The A15 Bionic chip offers excellent performance for most users, and the improved battery life ensures a full day of use. Ultimately, the iPhone 14 Plus provides a fantastic value proposition for those seeking a big screen iPhone experience at a more accessible price point.